Hi everyone, and thanks for joining! It's already Christmas in a month, so if you want to add a personal touch to your presents, gift tags are perfect. This cute owl gift tag can also be used as an ornament in your Christmas tree. This project is very easy and everyone can make it, even if you're a beginner. I really love this design because you can write a secret message under the wing. I got this design on the Cricut design space, and we'll share the link in the description. I only changed the colors. First, you will need to cut all the different elements using your cutting machine. After the cutting step, you will have all the different parts as we have here. So, the body, the inside and outside of the wing, the eyes, the nose, and the different decor elements. Today, to assemble the different layers, we are only using glue pen and tweezers. Let's start with the inside of the wing in white. As I already placed my wings elements on the side that they will be at the end of the project, I just flip it and add glue on the back. Then, we just need to align this part on the right of the owl's body. For the outside part of the wing, here in purple, your cutting machine already score a line that will show you where you need to fold. Then, we apply the glue on the top part only and align with the white inside wing to cover everything except the hearts. Next, we are gluing the face of the owl to make it adorable, starting with the eyes, the white part, then the black part, and we add the nose. Here, I'm using tweezers for the small elements to avoid to have any glue residue. Let's just finish with some decor elements such as the bow, the snowflake, and the diamond shapes, and then we're done! Look at what you just made. I hope you're proud of yourself and your creation of the day. Now comes the harder part. You need to decide who you will give it to. Let me know in the comments if you have any question. I hope you have fun making this project together. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Have a great day.